So today, for fun, I thought we would do some art. We did the charity stream yesterday. We've done a bunch of game dev stuff, and just doing some fun, random art sounded fun today. We can vote on 5 different characters. I mean, we've got Mega Man, Mario, Sonic, Kirby, Samus. Samus could be fun. You know, I've already done Kirby, so let's do Link for now. I would probably rather do Link than Kirby, honestly, at the moment, because we've already done a Kirby for the stream avatars. Get your vote on, everybody. Looks like Sonic's got it. We do this Sonic, right? This one? This is the Sonic you all want, correct? Her Sonic? Yeah, this is the Sonic everybody wants, I'm pretty sure. The first design of Sonic for the movie was real bad. Oh, they made Tails look cute at least. Why did they do this? I'm gonna go with classic Sonic. Thanks, I hate it, exactly. So we're gonna be doing this kind of more in my style, which means I'm gonna make it a little bit blockier. I don't make like super long characters and stuff, but we'll try and round them off and give them nice little chunky boy. So we're gonna need to start with at least a big ol' head. And again, this will all be cleaned up, so this is just kind of roughing in shapes first. But with this approach, kind of just go in, kind of get in. Let's kind of block out some shapes. Got a head. I like to get my silhouette figured out first before anything else, because that's kind of the most striking thing, especially in pixel art. So in most things, I always find like the silhouette, like the outline of whatever it is kind of the most important thing, because that's kind of the shape you see first. Especially in pixel art, if your outline's super janky and you know the silhouette looks weird, I feel like that kind of comes off as having a bit of, like, it just never really looks quite right. So let's get kind of a look to it first. This is just kind of, again, I'm roughing in here, so it's gonna look pretty bad right now. Okay, that's starting to feel like a silhouette that I'm okay with. Let's figure out where we want the eyes. So we're gonna kind of bring them. Big fan of like bigger eyes. It's kind of got a mouth thingy there, a nose in there somewhere. I shouldn't be. Let's do the silhouette. Let's do the outline first. It's starting to freak me out. Maybe I shouldn't do the outline first. It does go out further there, but not too crazy. Got a bit more in the back like that. I think I'm gonna make them a little bit more 3/4 views. I mean, this one's already 3/4, but we'll pull them in a little bit more, I think. I feel like I've got the feet too big too, especially for like my style for what I usually do. So let's go ahead and kind of pop that off a little bit. This looks more appropriate to the shape that I usually go for. We'll get the hands in there after. Should I just take off the arms and piss off everybody? I don't put arms on my characters. You guys know that. Arms are for the weak. Oh, please. No arms, less weight, runs faster. Exactly. See? Now you're thinking with pixels. Okay, so let's see. I want to have probably eyes around here in this space. I want to pull them all the way over, probably. All right. You know what it looks like right now, though? Honestly, it looks like those you know the popsicles you get with the gumball eyes. Again, we're just blocking it in right now. It's not gonna be amazing. Sonic's seen some stuff. I mean, yeah. All I can think of right now is that chili dog is running through me. Oh, actually, this is kind of inspired by the fact, like, Joe does like practice and stuff, and I was like, oh, practice? People do that? What's practice? Okay, we can start kind of adjusting now and making it work the way it's supposed to. Go ahead and pull this down a little bit. I'm just going to add some separation in there, very least. Very big oh no look. I mean, yeah, agreed. I mean, really, I think we probably need to do something more along the lines of like that. There we go. Like I said, just give it time. He's angry? Are you looking at the picture immediately next to him? Sonic's got attitude. Sonic comes from the 90s. That's when we had attitude about everything. For those of you that weren't around in the 90s, everything had attitude. The Power Rangers were teenagers with attitude. That's what they were specifically founded for.
Readers escape. Recruit a team of teenagers with attitude.
Attitude and weirdly gross everything. Agreed. Poochie. Oh my god. The good old 90s. Ah. You like the stick up his butt expression? Now he's like, hey, put it back. Let's focus on the head right now, because it's definitely still not right. We need to fix the silhouette a little bit more. Too far. There. Is that better? Now it's not a concerned look. Now it's an evil, snide look. I'm still trying to find all the shapes and stuff that I like yet. I haven't fully figured that out. But that's how this process goes. Gotta mess with it until it looks the way you want. He's a chonky boy. Right here up top, this is Sanic. This is Chili Dog Sanic. This is what happens after 30 years of Chili Dog. No, we need chubbier Sonic. Oh, he's a round boy. I don't like the ears in general. Let's redo the ears. I'm not happy with these ears. Let's cut them off and put them back. It looks like Knuckles now. Is Knuckles just Sonic with no ears? That's Knuckles, right? Am I wrong? Okay, Knuckles is just red Sonic with no ears and longer spikes. It totally is. I never noticed that. Like, wait, ready? Look, Knuckles. That's all we had to do to make Knuckles. The things you learn when you start to get into stuff like that. All right, let's pull you down a little bit more. And we got to get you some ears back, boy, because you look strange. All right, what do I want to do for the ears? Do we bring it? It's gonna be too large. He's got more triangle-y ears. Doesn't really fit with like the angle. They need to be higher up too. But yeah, I don't like the like triangle-y ears. It's too straight on. Now we got 2 ears. Now we can just pull this ear over here. Oh, let's fill you back in. And we'll pull you behind the Sanic. Let's see about stashing you in. The little wonky here. Let's go ahead and pull that off. Like, I do like this face. I think the face has come out pretty good so far. I think I'm trying to separate these, and I think I need to actually make this all one chunk and then kind of fix it, and then kind of separate it with the outline and shading is what I need to. Yeah, that feels better as in the silhouette right there. Yeah, I think that's gonna be much better. Do something along these lines. A little too far out though. God, I feel like that's still one too far. Yeah, that feels better. Then we can get in with, yeah, oh, happy. That fixed a lot. Do I really need to do much to the chunky body? Do we like the chunky body? Like, I can pull it in 1 pixel, but I kind of feel like it loses some of its love. It does look better pulled in 1. Damn, less of a chunky boy. That's fine. I'm gonna pull this shoe actually forward, and we're gonna put this into, in it more of a perspective here, I think. I don't like these feet. I think they're too big. I don't normally make feet this big. Most of my characters get square feet anyway, so this is a little bit outside of my normal realm, so I might need to pull this back to be a little closer to what I normally do. That actually feels better. Oh my god, it's cute. Oh, it's so cute! Let's try and separate this head a little bit. Take that off. Sanic! Did I do horribly? I think that's cute. Honey, what do you think? Give him hands? Blasphemy, woman. Lady Lark is always right and knows what's best. God damn it. All right, let's give it hands. I was gonna move on to something else, but no. But no, Lady Lark says. What if we just do gloves? That's what she was saying I should do. Boo, hands. How's that for hands, dear? Did I do better? Yeah? Okay. I have approval from the wife, which means I can move on now.
Hey, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give the video a like and subscribe to see more. If you want to catch the process live, come hang out at twitch.tv/Vimlark. I'd like to give a huge thank you to my Patreon supporters for helping making these videos possible, especially my video tier patrons like Baron Earth, Chichiman, Cinnabunny, Curdle Games, Nightfall, Killboy Gaming, Motzi Makes, Nazar Salim, Salty Pretzel, Scott Hansen, Soapy Gnome, Straight Up Gruntled, and Warren Stephen Rose. You're all amazing and I can't thank you enough for the support. Thank you so much for watching and I will talk with you next time. Have a good one. Later.